Day 4 of Haunted House Breakdown. Mausoleum is down. Was super easy. Just had to take out all the screws. And of course the fence is still there. Just trying to deter people from stealing this thing until I can get it down tomorrow. And we're taking down the mirrors so that we can get stuff in here, rip the top off, and start to taking the panels down. Not today though, because the sun is already down, which means it gets dark fast, fast, fast. And even though I have a light, I don't want to be here when it's freezing, because I don't want anybody to get sick. So that is the goal that we're doing. And also taking the tops off of these still. Time for the nun room to get neckified. Alright, that's it. Because it's almost too dark to be safely working on this stuff. Especially if it's not uncovered yet. You can see this area is totally uncovered. Started teeny tiny bit over there. And now, just gotta finish, but not today, the dolls. And over here in the clowns. But the clowns has been demirrored. And also need to tackle this tomorrow. Because we can't put anything in here until all of this comes out. Yay! Fun times. See you soon, ghouls.